Welcome students to Sheth Vidya Mandir English High School SSC online audio video lessons. I am Nidhi Srivastava. Today I am going to teach you subject General Science for 8th standard, chapter number 15, Sound. So first of all, we have learned that sound can be generated from a vibrating object. With an example of tuning fork, we will now learn about how a sound is produced due to such vibrations. A tuning fork is made of two prongs and a stem. Keeping the stem steady, if the prongs are struck, they start vibrating. It means that they are set into periodic motion in forward and backward direction. This is the image of tuning fork, which shows a stem and two prongs. This image shows production of sound waves through tuning fork. This image shows a vibrating tuning fork, which shows vibrating air layers and direction of sound waves. Propagation of sound and medium. Sound travels through some material medium like solid, liquid or gas and reaches us. Sound generation and propagation needs medium like air. A simple experiment can prove this. See this experiment, which shows medium is necessary for propagation of sound. The experimental arrangement is shown in this figure. In this experiment, a vacuum tight bell jar is placed on a smooth horizontal surface. The bell jar is connected to a vacuum pump via a tube. We can remove air inside the bell jar using the vacuum pump. As shown in the figure, the bell jar contains an electric bell which is connected to the power supply through the lid of the bell jar. At the start of experiment, the vacuum pump is off and the bell jar contains air. If the key to electric bulb is now switched on, the bell starts ringing and the ringing can be heard from outside the bell jar. Now, if the vacuum pump is switched on, it starts removing the air from the bell jar. As the quantity of air inside the bell jar decreases, the level of ringing sound heard outside also decreases. If the pump is operated for sufficiently long period, the quantity of air like inside the bell jar will be low. At this point, the level of ringing sound will also be very low. This experiment demonstrates that sound generation and propagation needs a medium. If the air inside the bell jar is totally removed, will we be able to hear the sound of ringing bell? No. Frequency of sound waves. We learned about how the vibrations of tuning fork result in generation of compressions and rarefactions in air. More detailed observation shows that the actual variation in the air density and pressure are as shown in figure in next slide. If any object vibrates in the air, such sound waves are produced in the air. See this image, which shows cycles of compression and rarefaction in a sound wave and change in air pressure. One compression and one rarefaction together forms one cycle of the wave. The number of cycles formed in the air in 1 second will be decided by the number of times the prongs of the tuning fork or any other vibrating body vibrates back and forth. That is the number of vibration of the tuning fork in 1 second. Sound and music. If the frequency of sound wave is changed, different sound is produced. Sound waves of different frequencies produce different sound notes. In the field of music, various musical instruments are used for creation of sound notes. Musical instruments like sitar, violin, guitar, which use strings for production of sound, and instruments like flute, shehnai, which use air blown into pipes for the production of sound. Sound produced by human. In the human, sound is produced in the larynx. While swallowing food, we can feel with our finger a hard bump that seems to move. This is nothing but larynx, which is at the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type or quality of voice is different. Example, vocal cords are 20 centimeter in length in male, about 15 centimeter in female, and even smaller in children. Therefore, the voice of male, female, and children are different. See this image which shows larynx in human. Sound generated by loudspeaker. We know that sounds can be produced using loudspeaker. The internal arrangement in the loudspeaker is shown in the form of cross-sectional view in figure in next slide. It consists of a permanent magnet. A coil is wound around it, and if a current flows through the coil, it also generates magnetic field. See this image which shows sound generated by loudspeaker. You must have seen that if two magnets are brought near each other, they move depending on their positions. In the same way, here, depending on the magnetic field created due to coil, the coil moves back and forth. The frequency and amplitude of the movement of the coil depends on the variation in the current flowing through the coil. As the coil moves, the conical screen of the loudspeaker, which is attached to the coil, also moves back and forth. Thank you, dear students.